Bernardino. I had my wallet stolen when I went to San Bernardino. San Bernardino, San Bernardino. I hate San Bernardino. I went to see a girl that lived in San Bernardino. I smell miles of cow shit getting there through Chino. And I got herpes when I went to San Bernardino. San Bernardino, San Bernardino. I hate San Bernardino. I took the wrong turn when I went to San Bernardino. My car has a bullet hole from when I went to San Bernardino. The devil steals my soul when I go to San Bernardino. San Bernardino, San Bernardino. I hate San Bernardino. My friends wanted drugs, so we went to San Bernardino. I was burned in a meth lab fire when I went to San Bernardino.